Good afternoon, Mvelo. I've made you this video to explain to you what's going on. What I have done is I have put your picture into, or the question that you've sent, I've put that picture in, and then I've also overlaid your answer. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do corrections to your answer, but I'll do it on the next page. So you'll just have to go onto the second page to go and have a look at this. But I just want to give you a bit of feedback first. First of all, well done for realizing that you had to use line from center perpendicular to chord. We always use this reason, line from center perpendicular to chord, when the question comes with a right angle. So your first statement over here where you said that AB equals CB, line from center perpendicular to chord, you should have just had the word line in there. Let's just put that in. So line from center perpendicular to chord is the correct way to set that out. That was correct. Unfortunately, though, what you've done here is you've then said that AB is equal to 3, which is not true. OC is equal to 10, that's true, that's given to us, and well done on realizing that you needed to do the theorem of Pythagoras. But the theorem of Pythagoras needs to be done inside this triangle over here. So that means that you need to know the length of CB. Because this line OB comes from the center and it's perpendicular to AB, it means that it cuts, well, perpendicular to ABC, it means that it cuts ABC in half. So in other words, we know that AB and BC are the same length, and that's going to be our starting point. Anyway, go on to the next page and I'll show you how you were supposed to set this out. Okay, Mvelo, so here we are on the second page. Remember, we are working inside triangle OCB, all right? We want to work out the length of CB. That means our starting point here, all right, is to say that BC equals AB, and our reason for that is line from center perpendicular to chord. Line from center perpendicular to chord. So that means that AB and BC are the same, all right? Now we can do the theorem of Pythagoras as you had suggested. Inside triangle OCB, what we would have said is this. We would have said that CB squared plus 6 squared would be equal to 10 squared. That gives us that statement, Pythagoras, and that means that CB squared is going to be equal to 100 minus 36, which leaves us with 64. Taking the square root, distance is always positive, CB is going to be equal to 8. So that means that CB is 8 and AB is 8. All right, so the other way that we could write this is we could say that line AC is 2 of CB, which it is because AB and BC are equal to one another. So therefore, AC is equal to 2 of 8, which means that it is 16 units in length. Anyway, I hope that video was helpful for you. Good luck.